guys, today I had an audition and it was a fun one. I got to wear my pajamas and it was nice. We're at Disney Springs right now and we're gonna try out a new chicken place because we love chicken.
I am taking Hunter to the Disney style store for the first time. I went maybe like 2 months ago and it was so awesome.
Ooh, it looks cool.
I think she's gonna love this store.
I like that. This is so cool.
I knew Hunter would go nuts over the store. Have you found the socks yet?
No, not yet. I have so many socks.
This store will actually make me want to wear Disney character merchandise again, because normally I do not wear Disney merchandise. This store makes me want to wear Disney merchandise. So much new stuff. We missed him. We haven't seen you guys in forever. So this is awesome. I ran into you. Let's hurry them up. But let's go have some fun. I think we're heading over to 4Rivers to get some lunch, maybe?
We love 4Rivers. It's so good.
Ended up getting the taco cone from the 4Rivers Cantina. This thing is humongous. Bigger than a Hunter's head. Look at that. That is huge.
How?
Huge. Like, how are you going to eat that?
No idea. Should I try the jalapeno?
I'm going in for the guacamole. I gotta have a little bit of everything.
Just don't get the jalapeno.
Oh my god! I don't taste as spicy. Maybe because I mixed everything else in. Maybe I should go for this one.
No, no, don't do the mistake
Right there.
Don't do the mistake I did.
Grab it. That one right there.
Don't take, no.
The jalapenos on it. Just the one taco, right?
I don't taste the spice.
You don't take it? Taste it either?
Oh, now I taste it.
lunches at Disney Springs. We're like double lunch timing. So we went to 4Rivers Cantina that opened just today, thanks to the trackers, because we didn't even know it was here. So that was awesome hanging out with them and trying that. Then on the way back to our car, we had to stop by the new chicken guy place because love chicken. And it is so good. So the chicken was good.
And it's Sky food.
Yeah, and it's Guy food. We like Guy. So what did you think?
I thought it was really good.
I thought it was good too. I think what I liked though was the dipping sauces.
Yeah,
I love dipping stuff. Do you guys dip? Do you like dipping? So I think that was fun. Chicken is chicken. It was good, but it wasn't like spectacular. But the dipping sauces were awesome. That you could pick all kinds of dipping sauces. And this right here, I think that's the best milkshake I've ever had.
And it could just be the flavor that
Real chocolate chips.
They don't exactly have very many flavors though. They only have mint chip
That's
and
true.
cinnamon apple.
They have mint chip and cinnamon apple. Those
So
are the two
very
options.
interesting flavors.
Yeah, but the mint chip, super yummy, and the fact that you have like real chocolate chips in there, and not thin mints. What was it? Pepperoni patties.
Pepperoni?
Pepperoni patties.
You said pepperoni.
What is?
patties?
Oh wait, yeah, peppermint patties. Oh my gosh.
Peppermint patties.
York peppermint patties. It was so good. So I definitely will be coming back to this one.
So thank you guys for joining us today. Fun dreaming. Love you